Hi, hello buddy, and welcome once again to my channel. So I'm basically going to show you how to build apps for your business, using Jotform. Now Jotform is a freely available website. You can always visit this particular website for free. So just click within the description. I've shared a link. Now once you're here, you'll be able to see variety of features that the Jotform provides, also templates. It also has some given elements, right? So once you scroll down, as you can see, this particular app allows you to create your business apps or mobile apps without really doing the coding part. So you just need to drag and drop some forms and then you'll be up and running. So again, if you scroll down, you can see a variety of steps that you need to take. Like you need just to drag and drop, as I've indicated. Then once you're done, you can publish. You can publish your app and share it with the various clients using your various platforms such as social media. You can also share them within your website or blog, right? So it's a very straightforward website that enables you to create different apps. Also, it allows you to create the forms, the different forms, as you're going to see. So just click within the description and start building your app with me. All right, thanks buddy for always subscribing. Now if you're joining us for the very first time, I normally engage in stuff related to online business, digital marketing, and even how you can actually make money online. But for today, let's see how we can build an app for a business for free. So once you're here, you can always go to the templates, or you can click get started now option, right? So maybe let's go to the templates and see the available templates that you can always use. Now, as I'd mentioned, regardless with the industry that maybe your business is in, like for example, if you are in education sector, you are doing some kind of inventory, salon, there are different templates that allows you to start creating your app right away. So for instance, maybe you can visit the salon category, right? So if you are someone who deals with the cosmetic business industry, you can always create an app for your business. As you can see, they are very cool templates that can start you off, right? So you can just choose or select a particular one that is actually fit for your business, right? So maybe I'll use the appointment app or template, so that at least if you have an business and you want to create some kind of app that allows you to book appointment, or allows your clients to book appointment for your business, they can always do that. So based on your business, you need to select a given template of your choice. Since I'm demonstrating, I'll just use the first one, scheduling app, right? So you just need to select, click on that particular app, then you'll be given this particular option. You can read what it does, right? There are also other template suggestions provided for you, right? Like you can see this one, if you're doing some kind of barber shop, right? If you have a barber shop and you want to maybe your clients to book appointment, they can always select that. So I'll go ahead and select use template. So very straightforward and easy. You don't need to know how to code anything. Yours is just to drag and drop, and maybe we are going to do some kind of just a simple editing, which actually is not some kind of hard task. So once you click on the template, it's going to launch. As you can see, you give it some time, right? So that it pulls the template for us. Perfect. So here we are. So as you can see, we are given three options: build option, settings, and publish. So normally the default option is to build. Build here doesn't really mean that you need to start building or coding. Instead, you just need to drag and edit the available template. So take note of that, right? As you can see, this is the template that we have. We can edit whatever we have, like the address here, we can edit. You just need to click right on that, then click on the setting on this other side, right? Then you can edit the address, right? As you can see, so you just need to remove this because you don't need it. So mine, I can maybe replace it with PO box, maybe Nairobi, right? Something like that. You can use the various fonts. You can make it bold, change the color, and so on. Once you're done, you just click on the done option. All right. You can also close this, right? Again, you can go ahead and maybe change the colors so that you give your phone number. Yeah, you can see somewhere here, you just remove the right and you place your phone number, right? Something like that, right? You change that so that if someone clicks on the callers button, they can always call you. You can do the same to the visit website. Yeah, so I'm moving very fast because this is something that you can always do on your own. You can see it's a very simple. You can also change these notifications to suit your business, right? Of course, we have the app builder section here that allows you to change the template, how the template looks like. You can see at the top right, just click on that, and then it allows you to design. Yeah, I can select this color. I believe it is kind of yeah, that color. I can select it. I can make other changes. You can even have background image, yeah, placed within your app. You can see the way it is appearing, right? You can also change the company name, right? So I don't know, but maybe I can have something like learner's coach. So just type cool name for your online business or any other business that you have. Then we can still also add the description. As you can see, you can describe your business, like for example, online training, right? Then better still, you can also remove or change this particular logo to reflect. Sorry, you can always also feel free to log in. You can also replace this particular logo, right? You can remove that so that we have our own logo for our business. So you just need to upload a new logo. Registration is very free. You can just register with your email address so that it doesn't keep on popping up. So you can say, of course, it's going to take some time, but once you're done, you can see your logo appearing here, the name of your business, and any other change that you want to make within your app. Better still, we have the add elements. If you want to maybe integrate additional components or elements, you just click on the plus sign here within the add element. It's going to give you the various options here which you can select from, right? Or if you want to add an image button, yeah. So in my case, maybe we can add a map to show the location of our business, which I think is also not a bad thing. So just drag and drop it there. As I mentioned, you don't need to code, everything is there, just drag and drop. Also, we have the widgets, very cool widgets that you can always use. Yeah, so again, you can edit the settings for your map to show the location of your business, right? So it goes without saying that it's a very cool way and easy platform that you can always create your own app. Then after you are satisfied with how your app is going to look like, you can proceed to the second stage, settings. So you just need to click on the settings. Now within the settings, we have a number of things that you need to do. Like for instance, app settings allows you to make this particular app to be visible, so you have to enable it. You can also disable it, so ensure that you select enable. Also, continue forms later, ensure that the on is selected so that you can be able to edit or modify the this particular app in future. Add to home screen model. Now also ensure that this option is on. Now that if for instance your clients decide to install this particular app within their mobile phone, it should always appear within the their home screen of their mobile phone. I believe you get the concept. Now you don't need to show the progress of your app development, so just switch it off. Anyway, the other stage within the settings is ensuring that you give this particular app a relevant name for your business, right? So you can just have can have the learner's coach scheduling app. So ensure that you always sign so that that pop-up doesn't appear. Also, you can edit the home screen. Yeah, we have this area here. You can edit it to ensure that the app has the relevant image. Yeah, you can as well remove that, change it with the logo, right? So in my case, I've already shown you how to change the image. After you are satisfied with how this is going to look like, we can proceed to the splash screen, right? Now, splash screen section is when you launch or someone launches your app, yeah, how it's going to appear when they click on that particular icon. So it's going to show this particular color. You can also change, customize and change the color, yeah, to your preferred option. Maybe pink, don't know whether this is pink or brown, whichever option that suits you. The font color also you can be able to change, and so on. So after you have adjusted your splash screen, yeah, I mean let's change the font color. They are almost the same. You can put a yellow one, right? So that at least you have your nice looking home screen or splash screen. After that, the next stage is to publish, right? So that is the final step, and this area allows you to, so let me just sign in. I've already signed up, so let me just sign in very fast so that they don't bother me a lot. So you can say it's very free. You just need to have your email. I'll just use one of my email addresses, right? So ensure that you sign up so that you don't be bothered the way I'm being bothered here. Alright, so I've already signed in so that I can be able to publish. Very good. So we have different ways of publishing or options. Like for example, you can share the link of your app. You can see the first option. The other option is to share it via the email. That's another option. My most preferred way is also using the download QR code, right? You can click on that. So this, you can always download your code and share it with your clients, yeah, or you can share it within your website or blog, yeah, so that they can scan and automatically install this particular app within their mobile phones. Very, very fast and effective. I prefer it. The other way is to embed. Yeah, so if you're familiar with developing of websites, you can always create some kind of options to embed this particular code within your website, so that people, when they visit your blog or website, they can always scan this particular code and get your app. Better still, WordPress also offers a cool way to integrate your WordPress website with this kind of app. So it's a very, very convenient way to publish. So maybe we can take a look at how to use the first option, because this is the easiest way. So I'll just copy the link, yeah. Then I'm assuming that I have a page within the Facebook. So this is one of the social media platforms that you can share your app link with your customers. So let me just select one of the pages. You can share it within your Twitter account, you can use your Instagram, any platform that you can use to share this particular link. So I'll use one of the pages, Facebook pages, to share the link, right? So I'll create the post here, then just paste that particular link, right? Post. We just want to see how the app is going to look like, maybe once someone clicks on it. So that's just one way of sharing your app. I know someone is going to ask, can we get it within the App Store or the other platforms? No, it's not really available there, yeah, but I think it needs to, if someone clicks on this, if someone clicks on this particular link, let's see how it's going to appear. Right, so there we are. Yeah, there we are. So you can always make adjustments. Again, if you feel that it's not appearing the way you intended, as I can say, the map is appearing at the top here, which I can always go back to build. You can always go back to build and do what? Redesign again. Yeah, which is not. You can see it has come up here. Yeah. So you can always adjust that, right, very fast, and then you ensure that it appears very well. So one thing that maybe is missing here, it has disappeared. Let me just refresh so that you can see it. So once you share your link, right, you can see there's a pop-up that is going to appear for the within the class, whether a computer or a mobile phone. This one, yeah, add to home screen. So they'll always select the add to home screen, then it's going to automatically install the app within their mobile phones. That's why it's very important that you share or you publish your product or the app that you have already developed. So you have various options. The first option, I've shown you how to use the link, the copy link. The other one is to share your code within the what? Your blogs or also the websites. Of course, you can also use the embed option to share your app. So there are a variety of ways that you can always do that. So I mean, why not try this particular option? It is free. Yeah, like if someone click on the schedule an appointment, so the app is going to enable them do the actually do the appointment. You can see they can type the very many options there, select the date, and then they submit form. So once they submit form, when you come to your account within the app builder, you can always have within the inbox, you can always get those particular submissions and you can reply to the request. Also, we have the form analytics option that allows you to analyze the kind of traffic or how your app is actually performing. So I think this is just an eye opener. You can do more. You can design a very cool web app. The good thing is that it is free and easy to use. So should you find that it is a good platform maybe to create your own app, you can always share the experience within the comment section so that at least we see how effective it is to use this particular Jotform. All right, thanks, and always feel free to subscribe.